action is going to happen? This provocation is happening through the night. We've got more details coming in of Pakistan's absolute unprovoked border aggression, because we can confirm that there is massive artillery firing at the Poonch sector. The city and border villages have come under huge attack by Pakistan. Indian Army, as usual, of course, is responding with brute force and giving a befitting reply to the ceasefire violation. Quickly, let me go across to my colleague Tejshri, who's joining us live at this point. Tejshri has been reporting, of course, from Poonch from the beginning of this entire episode. Tejshri, I hope you're keeping safe. I can see that you have not lit up your frame for security reasons. Can you take us through what's happening right now?
Well, let me tell you that we are reporting just few kilometers away from the airport, and in fact behind me, in fact we will just try to show you the visuals that here there is a complete blackout once again. There were some, in fact, there were some areas where there was electricity, but now there is a complete power cut away. Not just that, but we are also hearing over here now. In fact, there were sirens in this particular area, and the same sirens were also heard, just 2 to 3 hours back when there was a targeted attack by Pakistan. You can also hear, if I just, you can also hear the silence. If I just, do not speak for 30 seconds, you can hear the sirens as well. The sirens are running, the sound of the sirens can be heard behind me, and in fact this is an alert that there is a possibility that another attack could have happened over here in Jammu from where we are reporting right now. And in fact, remember that earlier also there was an attempt of the attack in Jammu at the airport as well. Not just the airport, but in fact at several places. They also tried to attack via the missiles, but the missiles were all intercepted. But here, what we are getting to know is that this complete area is again blackout, and in fact not just that, but the sirens could also be heard. The people have been advised to stay in their stay at their house itself, and again the sirens are near the loud sounds of siren over here in Jammu. Remember that our Jammu has again become a sensitive area, a sensitive because the tensions are definitely escalating. However, there is no casualty, no, in fact, any kind of damage is being reported. Not a single person is injured over here. But yes, the kind of attack that Pakistan has been making, India is continuously retaliating and failing each and every attempt that has been made by Pakistan over here in Jammu and other places as well. And if we talk about ceasefire violation, then yes, there has been ceasefire violation from the side of Pakistan. There has been continuous firing in Poonch, in Kupwara, and in Uri as well, and Rajouri also. What we got to know that yes, there was some shelling and cross-border firing in Rajouri. So that's an unprovoked attack again.
All right, Tejshri,
by the side of
Tejshri, we'll keep coming to you, and yes, we could hear the sounds of the shelling and firing and the sirens in the background as well. So stay safe, and thank you for getting us that report from Ground Zero. Meanwhile, as we have been telling our viewers,